we're going to install a 12 by 8 foot deck in front of this French door. French door is going in tomorrow. We got the gravel spread on top of the weed block fabric. Maybe that will work good for the posts that will support the freestanding deck. Joe's beginning the destructive process, or removal process we should say, of the existing windows. Now we get to see the siding here.
And this looks like it was all added on afterward.
Like newer.
Like there was either a door here or a different size window.
Maybe this was the height of the window originally.
Way up here?
Yeah. Kind of a strange routing of the wiring error. Is that bug stuff?
That's some bug stuff.
Wow. Well, those are those pincher bugs. I hope this is not a problem. Whoa. Not gonna get that piece. More bugs and dirt.
That's your floor right here.
Yeah. Look at this fiber board. Very soft.
You don't put capped wires inside of walls unless you have a junction box.
Sometimes you can't do things gracefully in this type of board. Alright. Wires everywhere. Locate it?
Yeah. I don't know, I gotta get to it. Oh, there's a box. Rusty nails.
I was hoping to keep things clean and orderly here, as much as is possible with this destructive part of the process. That's for the top.
Yeah.
This extra header here will help accommodate the shorter door and also allow for clearance of the eave here, which is not much higher. No wonder.
Beautiful day for windows and doors.
Set the frame in. Is that what this is called?
Yeah, frame.
And it looks like it fits really good. Wow, nice. Fantastic. Here comes door number 2. Look at that.
Well,
They fit. They look nice and straight and square. Better than the house itself. The stripping just pops right in. You don't have to worry about a caulk gun.
no, not for that stuff. doors. Looks like I closed this, going good.
Looks great. See all the way through the house. Can't wait to see it finished. All sealed up according to Joe. Everything looks great. Well, got the bottom part to do yet. I pressed some fiberglass insulation in the gaps between the boards around the door here to prevent air from leaking through it. At least reduce it to some extent. Joe's going to wire in a new outlet. Joe went under the house here in the crawl space to reroute this outlet. This is where it snaked through to the other side, and it will be attached to this outlet. This is where we're going to put a light.